FreeCool intelligent solar-powered air conditioner. 100% daytime operation on solar power, no battery, no solar controller, no inverter. Zero grid dependency significantly reduces electricity bills and carbon footprint. Intelligent cooling technology. Automatically adapts cooling performance based on available solar power, ensuring maximum efficiency and comfort throughout the day. Ideal applications: homes, offices, shops, warehouses, factories, remote and off-grid locations, workshops, commercial areas. Low operating cost, high reliability. Simple system design with fewer components ensures long lifespan, minimal maintenance, and dependable performance. Jet cooling system. High-speed air delivery for instant cooling. Powerful airthrow for wide area coverage. Uniform and targeted airflow exactly where cooling is needed. Ideal for large and industrial spaces. Energy efficient performance. Maximum cooling with optimized power consumption. Robust and low maintenance design. Built for continuous industrial operation with long-term reliability. FreeCool ACDC intelligent technology. Intelligent power management. High power factor control. BLDC motor, high efficiency, low energy consumption. DC twin rotary compressor. Twin rotary cylinder technology. Low noise and low vibration. Low RPM lathe and 30 RPS for enhanced durability. Reduced shaft load for higher reliability. Compatible with R32 eco-friendly refrigerant. FreeCool intelligent solar air conditioner. Clean energy. Smart cooling. Daytime comfort. Become a dealer. Email sales@freecooluk.com. Welcome to the FreeCool world.